Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome to week 4 of your 101L class. I'm excited to be with you again. Lots of you are doing really well. You're turning in your assignments on time. One thing that I need to mention before I go through what is expected this week is that the first 3 weeks of the course are getting used to understanding how the course works. And so I've been a little lenient on a late policy, but starting in week 4, I will take off 1 point for every day that it's late. So if you get it late one day and you had 15 points, you'll get 14 points. If you were 7 days late, then I take off 7 points. So it'll be 1 point per day for what I take off. So also, one other thing I wanted to do is, you guys are doing such a great job of posting in here. The announcements are not required for you to post on, but it's a great discussion board. But could you post on there what your favorite conference talk was? I'm excited to hear what everybody else learned from conference. So let's talk about what to do this week. In week 4, as we go through, you have very similar assignments. Some of the ones I wanted to go through where you're writing your lesson of the paragraph. One thing that I learned is, because I had the question, because I wanted you to do it right, on the internet, none of the paragraphs are indented, and that is the way that you type when you're doing in a internet page. When you're doing a professional written paper, you indent the first paragraph, and that can be done by pushing the tab button on your keyboard. So this week you're going to work on the body of the paragraph. So you worked last week on writing a topic sentence and a hook. So now you're going to work on the body of the paragraph. So make sure that you read through all of these things so that you understand what the body of the paragraph looks like. Then as we move forward, you'll have a writing practice. Make sure you read the directions, okay? Because in the last week, some of you are writing a whole paragraph when you only needed a topic sentence. So make sure you read the whole paragraph. In your math instruction, here are some excellent videos that you could look through. One other thing I want you to know that is, if you're having struggles, if you go to Course Help, you can sign up for an online tutor, and they can help you. You can either schedule one, or you can just see one right when you need one. And as we go forward, you'll have your math lesson and your gathering. So you've got all of your assignments. One thing I wanted you to look at was the application activity with your learning plan. As you look at this, I want you to see that in one box we'll have the question, and underneath you'll need to answer it. Please use complete sentences, which means you have a subject at the beginning and you have a verb and supporting details. No bullet points. We're working on complete sentences. And then please come down here and answer these questions. Save this assignment and then submit it to me. This way I'll be able to understand clearly what you're trying to answer. One other thing I wanted to point out to you, and I don't know how many of you have thoroughly read through it, but we have our life skill, or our learning strategies. Please read through these. The learning model, it'll walk you through some great ways to learn. You have your prepare and teach one another and ponder and improve. And I know that there's a lot to read as you continue on, but please make sure that you're reading it every week. Make sure that you are internalizing it and using it in your own lives so that you can become not only better students, but better people, better husbands and wives, better spouses, better moms and dads, and better children of our Heavenly Father. So please continue to work on that. Continue to do the wonderful work that you're doing. Please, again, email me if you have anything that you need to contact me about. And I look forward to reading your papers and learning from you.